Hello YouTube, Logan here, and in today's video guys, we're going to be looking at my RC Ibishu Pigeon. This time we'll be doing some off-roading with it. Maybe not in there, but just some kind of basic stuff. Believe it or not, it does do this quite well, considering. So, to go over some changes, I put the high torque motor in here, which is 1000 RPM output, and this is the base body. So, no more stabilizers. I still have that body, obviously, but for this run, we're going with the base. And for the first time ever, we have a mirror on the Pigeon. Reflective. Then we also have, for the first time ever, a windshield wiper hole, so we can mount the windshield wiper here. I tried to make it print at the same time, and it just wasn't working, so we got rid of that. Both door handles as well for the first time ever. And no funky hole here. I still need to get this ironed out. That's an issue with the model. Pigeon. There was a printing issue here where both quarter panels here, they lifted off the bed, so they're squished up, unfortunately. It doesn't look the best, but in spite of that, we shall drive. There you go, just gotta shimmy the front wheel a little bit. That's what always gets stuck on. It's always stuck on the front wheel, because that has no drive, so it just kind of sinks in. It's almost like a shovel. Yeah, it is really fun to drive. Can I get over this log here? It's not a log, it's a root. Let's see. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Yeah. Hey, doing pretty good. So, we'll skip this section and go over there in just a second, where the needles are many. Not those types of needles. I'm jump for it. Let's see how it does. Oh, wow. Come on, little buddy. There you go. Kind of shocked, honestly. I mean, this is surprisingly good for how small this is. Now, if this was four-wheel drive, we'd probably have a better shot out of this. I wonder if the four-wheel Pigeon would do any better. Ooh, man. I'm currently giving a blood sacrifice to all the bugs. Like and subscribe, guys. That's an issue. Dig, 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 dig. Oh, we're gonna get up this hill, whether it likes it or not. There we go. In the last video, it took like 10 tries to get this up the driveway, little curb here. And in the end, the stabilizer did, like, it just barely got up. I'll put a clip of it now. Come on, buddy. Yes! Yes! Woo! Nice. But now we're gonna try it with the high torque motor. We're gonna see how slow we can go up this. It can go a bit fast, obviously. We're gonna just absolutely slow crawl up this hill. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And then for reference, we'll go up it at full speed. Just because why not? We're right here. Boom. Easy. Will my fully 3D printed RC Ibishu Pigeon make it to where the controller is? Down there. Let's find out. Alright. With a little bit of shallow water there. And then some deeper stuff here. Keep moving through that, not to get stuck. Just trying to go, okay, okay, okay. I'm just full sending it now. Come on, buddy, come on. Yep. Boom, we got it. Just for funsies, because we're already here, let's go. So cool. Darn. Let's play a game called Where's the Pigeon? Oh my gosh, mosquitoes. Man. Oh. Okay. Let's play a game called Where's the Pigeon? Where is the pigeon? You can pause now if you want to guess in the comments or something. But now, as I turn, there he is! There he is! Look how cute he is. Oh, little pigeon. Oh, little pigeon. Okay, next. What's the chance that a mosquito has malaria? Asking for a friend.